Yes people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yeezreel. This sneaker is a bit mental. But before we get into the box, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really does help out the channel. And guess what? We've got the normal Yeezy box right here. Can't open it, you know, need to go gym. Not the strongest fella in the world, I'm not gonna lie to you. But these are a strong colour. And I'm being quite polite there. 1 second. There it is. Everyone's favourite noise, the box farting. These are double rowdy. We've got semi-frozen yellow vibes all the way across them. The traditional Yeezy Boost 350 silhouette, so it's nice and sleek across the upper, full prime knit. It's got that nice clear window that we come to expect from the V2. Pull tab to the heel counter and full boost underfoot, so they're as comfortable as ever. But let's be honest, the highlight of this shoe has to be this highlighter yellow colourway. You know, like when you used to get bored in secondary school, so you're colouring your shoes and shit. Be a right little kid because your mum and dad spent bare money on them shoes and you're colouring them in. This is what you could do to like the triple white, get a nice black biro and then go all over it with a nice orange highlighter and bang bang, you have the Yeezreel. These are not a bit of me. I'm not going to lie to you, they're a bit too rowdy. I like a nice all black outfit, but no thank you, Jeff. Not only will we be getting this release of the Yeezreel, we will also be getting a nice reflective version of it. So you know, that's going to hold a pretty penny when you're going back to resale, as will these. But the Yeezy 350 hype has died down a little bit. They go for about £450 pre-release. So as you can imagine, it's going to drop down as soon as there's more stock available. So we're going to say probably around the 250 mark when they actually drop. When they drop it, that is December the 14th, at exclusive retailers such as Adidas, Offspring, you know, all of the high heat accounts that normally get their good Yeezys. I'm not gonna lie, I won't be trying to pick a pair of these up. But if you are, make sure you go half a size up because they do fit really big. Oh, that would make no sense. They do fit really small due to the prime knit upper, so it is proper tight against your foot. These will be the usual price of around £180, and guess what? I won't be picking up a pair. Normally I cop everything that I can, but this is a straight no from me. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yeezreel. And before you leave, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button, and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See ya.